Which of the following wetlands were added to the Ramsar list of wetlands of international importance in December 2025? Right answer is option D, both A and B. Silisir Lake in Rajasthan and Kobra Jalashay in Chhattisgarh. Who has been elected as the 15th Vice President of India in 2025? Right answer is option A, CP Radhakrishnan. Which district became India's first fully solar powered district in May 2025? Right answer is option A, Diu. Who was appointed as the new chairman of the Union Public Service Commission UPSC in May 2025? Right answer is option B, Ajay Kumar. Where was the first International Conference on Glacier Preservation 2025 hosted? Right answer is option D, Dushanbe, Tajikistan. Who has taken charge as the 53rd Chief Justice of India? Right answer is option A, Justice Suryakant. India's first underwater museum and artificial coral reef was launched in June 2025 in which state? Right answer is option B, Maharashtra. Who won the 2025 Booker Prize for the novel Flesh? Right answer is option D, David Zale. Who was inducted as the 11th Indian cricketer into the ICC Hall of Fame? Right answer is option C, MS Dhoni. What position did India secure in the Henley Passport Index published in October 2025? Right answer is option B, 85th rank. Which scheme was launched by the Ministry of Railways to modernize railway stations across India? Right answer is option B, Amrit Bharat Station Scheme. Which state has been declared India's first fully digitally literate state? Right answer is option B, Kerala. National Space Day 2025 was celebrated in India on which date? Right answer is option C, 23rd August. Who has recently been appointed as the new Chief of Research and Analysis Wing? Right answer is option A, Parag Jain. Which team won the Indian Premier League 2025 title? Correct answer is option C, Royal Challengers Bangalore. India's first butterfly sanctuary, officially established in June 2025, is located in which state? Right answer is option B, Kerala. What was India's rank at the 2025 World Para Athletics Championships medal tally? Right answer is option D, 10th rank. Who won the 74th Miss Universe 2025 title in September? Right answer is option B, Fatima Bosch. Which country was the host of the 51st G7 summit in 2025? Right answer is option C, Canada. Who has returned as the Chief Minister of Bihar for the 10th time in 2025? Right answer is option A, Nitish Kumar. In December 2025, who made history by becoming the first woman president of the Press Club of India? Right answer is option C, Sangeeta Baroa Pisharoti. Who has been appointed as the Controller General of Accounts of India in 2025? Right answer is option A, TCA Kalyani. What is India's position in the Sustainable Development Goals Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 99th rank. Who was crowned as the 72nd Miss World in the year 2025? Right answer is option C, Opal Sujata Chongsri. Which country achieved a historic milestone by winning the WSF Squash World Cup 2025 for the first time? Right answer is option D, India. In which city was the 11th World Green Economy Summit 2025 organized? Right answer is option C, Dubai, UAE. Who has been awarded the 2025 Nobel Peace Prize? Correct answer is option C, Maria Corina Machado. Which university topped the medal tally at the Khelo India University Games 2025? Correct answer is option B, Chandigarh University. Which country topped the medal tally at the Asian Athletics Championships 2025? Correct answer is option C, China. Which organization has become the first Indian entity to receive the Ramon Magsaysay Award 2025? Right answer is option C, Foundation to Educate Girls. Who officially took over as the 35th Director General of the National Cadet Corps? Right answer is option A, Lieutenant General Virendra Vats. What is India's rank in the Global Hunger Index 2025? Right answer is option B, 102nd. Who has assumed the role of President of the Badminton World Federation? Right answer is option B, Kunying Patama. Who has been appointed as the 26th Governor of the Reserve Bank of India, RBI? Correct option is B, Sanjay Malhotra. Where was the World Hydrogen Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option B, Rotterdam, Netherlands. In November 2025, Gogabir Lake was newly added to the Ramsar list. It is located in which Indian state? Correct answer is option B, Bihar. Which institution in 2025 proposed the development of the world's smallest semiconductor chip? Right answer is option B, IISc Bangalore. Liu Jiakun has been awarded which global recognition in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Pritzker Prize. What is India's rank in the Global Firepower Index 2025 for military strength? Right answer is option C, fourth. Who became the youngest and the first Asian to receive the Global Humanitarian Award from the Global Humane Society in December 2025? Right answer is option A, Anant Ambani.